Hello everybody, it's been a long time and we're going to start off where we left off. So we left off where we got the yellow plus right here. And now our next step but today's goal is to put the corners in the right position. So it doesn't have to be solved in the right position. We're going to do that the next time, but we have to align them in the right place. So we have to try and, so there are two, I'm going to try and align these corners. So I'm going to align, so I have a yellow, blue, and red. It's just like how we aligned it right under the white corner piece, the exact place, to do the right twister to put it there. Just like that, but instead you're not doing any moves. So you just move it till you find that. So this is green, red and green, so I'm going to move it again. Now this is blue and red. So it's in the right position, yellow, red, and blue. So now I'm looking at the other ones, and this one is yellow, red, and green. Now I just have to look at the last two. These two are not in the right position. These two are swapped, and these two are right. So there are two coincidences in this. So one of them is when you have two of them right next to each other, like right here, right here, right here, or right here, and when you have those, which is adjacent to each other, and then the other one is when you have diagonal. So one is right here and one is right here. So these two are wrong. These two have to be swapped, and these two are right, and these two don't have to be swapped, or the other way around. So in my case, I have the adjacent one. So our first one is going to do the adjacent swap, and there's a diagonal swap. So the difference between an adjacent swap and the diagonal swap, the adjacent swap and diagonal swap, you do the same thing. And the set of moves for adjacent swap is you do the right twister 3 times. So you do the twister 3 times, move it to the left. So you move it like right here. So you're facing this part. You move it to left and then do the left twister 3 times. So that's the adjacent swap. And then diagonal swap is the same set of moves, the right twister 3 times, and then switch it left to do the left twister. And then, since it's a diagonal swap, it will become adjacent. So you have to do it again. But before you do it, you have to position in the right place. So you can't just immediately do it if they're not in the right place. So you have to move it so you can find 2 of them in the right place and 2 of them in the wrong place. So now and also you can have it already in the same place. You can already have it all in the correct position. So now so I'm going to do my way, which is adjacent swap. So I'm going to do the right twister 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So now the white should be on the yellow side facing up. So and then you turn it so you can see the other side of the white. So instead of orange, I would see green in my case, and then I would do the left twister. 1, 2, 3. So now I have to put them. I have to put them in the right position. So I'm gonna look at them. So I'm just gonna take any one, which is blue, red, and yellow. I'm just gonna move it. Now it's in the right position right here. Blue and red. Blue and orange would be in blue orange. Orange and green would be in green and orange. And green and red would be in red and green. So now I've got all the corners in the right position. So bye guys. I'm gonna be back to teach you the next step of how to solve this cube. Bye.